Now, I don't often review a lot of headphones, but these earbuds, the SoundPEATS Clear, are absolutely fantastic, and for the price, you just can't beat them. Now, typically, I'm using my AirPods Pro, which are great, always work, and I never have to worry about them. But I actually forgot them the other day, and I happen to have these SoundPEATS Clear on me, and they come in this clear case. They're very clear in the audio quality as well, hence the name, but they look just like AirPods as far as their shape. They have kind of a carbon fiber look to them. They're very dark and sleek. They come with different tip sizes for different ears, and this case is about as small as you can make it while having a charging capability and something nice to carry them in, USB-C charging, and a sync button right below. These synced really fast to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I also used them with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the experience was great on both of them. What I love about these is how fast they pair. If I take these right out and put them in my ear, immediately it's already said that it is connected to my phone and they're ready to go. I throw the other one in and it connects automatically as well. Now, these don't have active noise canceling, and so I can definitely hear myself in my head, and I can hear some outside noise if an outside noise was taking place, but that's okay. The audio quality is really good and it's really loud and it has good bass response. Everything that I usually find wrong with earbuds from other brands definitely are not the case with the SoundPEATS Clear. Very nice headset. They have up to 7 hours of runtime with 40 hours total with the charging case, which is pretty good. I haven't used them for that long. I've used them maybe for like 2 or 3 hour stints and have been very pleased with them. I've used them during working out. They stay in my ears, whether I'm running on the treadmill or riding on the bike, and they're comfortable to wear longer periods of time if you're sitting at the desk or just enjoying some YouTube content on your phone. If you're looking for an alternative to spending a whole bunch of money on something like AirPods Pro, but you want the audio quality or as close to the audio quality as possible, I still say that the AirPods Pro is a little bit better with audio quality, and the noise cancellation helps definitely isolate that audio quality. But the SoundPEATS Clear, for the price, it's a clear choice to go with the SoundPEATS Clear. Check out the link in the description below.